To download, install, and activate the Microsoft Office 2024 Latest version for free, start by obtaining the Office Deployment Tool from the Microsoft Download Center. Once downloaded, create a folder in your C drive named Office 2024 and copy the executable file into it. Run the file as an administrator, accept the license terms, and extract the tool into the same folder. Next, you'll need a configuration file named configuration.xmo, which provides instructions for the on what to install. Save this file into the Office 2024 folder as well. Open the folder, type cmd in the address bar, and press enter to launch the command prompt in the folder's location. Execute the provided command to begin installing the Office 2024 Sec Preview. The installation may take some time, so be patient. Once completed, open any Microsoft Office application like Word or Excel. Go to the Account section, select Change Product Key, and then enter the provided product key. Close and reopen the application, then choose Activate over the Internet when prompted. This will activate the preview version. Note that this is a temporary, test-only version and will require a purchased license upon the Office of Office 2024.